When it comes to weight loss, choosing the right drinks can be just as important as selecting the right foods. Here are 5 drinks that can support your weight loss efforts. Number 1. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss. Water helps to flush out toxins, boosts metabolism, and can help you feel fuller, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Aim for at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces of water per day. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and compounds like catechins, which have been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Plus, it's low in calories and can be a great alternative to sugary beverages. Number 3. Black coffee. Coffee can help to increase your metabolic rate and improve fat oxidation, making it a great choice for weight loss. Just be mindful of added sugars and high-calorie creamers. Number 4. Lemon water. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water can not only enhance its flavor, but also provide a dose of vitamin C and antioxidants. Some people believe that drinking lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach can aid digestion and boost metabolism. Number 5. Chia seed. Drink. Chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help promote feelings of fullness and support overall health. You can soak chia seeds in water or unsweetened almond milk to create a hydrating drink that can help curb cravings and support weight loss goals. Incorporating a variety of these drinks into your diet can not only help support your weight loss journey, but also keep you hydrated and nourished with essential nutrients. Remember to prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods alongside these beverages for optimal results. Hey there. If you found these tips helpful for your weight loss journey, don't forget to ask for more advice. Like if you enjoyed the suggestions, comment with your favorite weight loss drink, share with friends who might benefit, and subscribe for future health and wellness tips. Let's sip our way to a healthier, happier you together.